Quick rapid fire.
Okay. I'll try and be as rapid as I can.
Yes. One thing you can't live without.
My family?
Good.
I can't live without it.
First big purchase you made with your own money.
First big purchase, I think first big one was a car that I bought, which was a second-handed car at that point. Yeah, it was a second-hand car. It was a second-hand car in Mumbai when I was staying alone, and I had my father had also moved back to Delhi, so I needed to like drive myself, and so that was the most expensive initial purchase. Uske baad to bahut hui hain, but haan.
Yes. Bollywood colleague you'd trust with your skincare routine.
Oh, whoa, okay. I think I can give a skincare routine to many. But if I have to ask someone, I really want to ask Rekha ma'am what her skincare routine is. You know, I think she is flawless. She just looks too good, and I've seen her in person. Trust me, her skin is amazing. Her neck, like we all have like these things called tech lines, right? She has none. Like her neck is smooth. So I would really want her skincare routine.
Real estate or startups, what excites you more today?
Startups.
One misconception people have about Kriti Sanon.
कि ये तो कुछ भी नहीं खाती होगी. ये तो हमेशा diet पे होती होगी. You know, I think a lot of people, when they see me, they're like, "Arey, please, you don't eat anything." No, I'm a full Punjabi. I love food. I live to eat. I don't eat to live. So that's the difference. So yeah.
I don't know how you manage that, but yeah.
She shook
Good
her
for
head
you.
like she doesn't believe me at all. But yeah. I mean, touch wood, I'm blessed with good metabolism, which I know is going to go off with age. But till I can enjoy it, I will.
You should. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so candid, so forthright,
Thank
and for
you.
inspiring.